Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Colourpop Bare Necessities eyeshadow palette. I know I'm a bit late reviewing and swatching this palette, but I purchased it back when it launched on November 28 to be exact, so I still wanted to upload this video for those that still haven't picked it up or haven't made up your mind. This is a 30 eyeshadow pan palette that retails for $34. I believe this is Colourpop's second 30 pan palette. If you're familiar with Kathleen Light's So Jaded palette, this is the same size as that one. I have to mention that these are mini sized pans for those that are not familiar with Colourpop palettes. The palette has a cardboard packaging with the magnetic closure and it does not include a mirror. The eyeshadows do have names and they are printed above each eyeshadow and on the back of the palette. You can also find the names printed on the back of the unit carton. Out of the 30 eyeshadows, 21 are matte and 9 are shimmers. This is a neutral palette with a mixture of warm and cool tone eyeshadows. For some reason this palette reminds me of bridal makeup. I think it's probably the nude packaging and the soft eyeshadows. So when I did my swatches for the mattes, all performed good without any issues. Spyglass, which is the black shade, was a bit dry but blended out smoothly without any issues. All of the mattes blended out smoothly when testing them with the brush. I had some fallout and I did have kick up with most of the mattes. For the shimmers, some were creamier than others, but all swatched evenly and pigmented. The shimmers that were more creamier tended to have more fallout. I definitely recommend using a finger application for these. So overall, I really like this palette. This is the type of palette that looks pretty in person. And even though I have so many neutral palettes, I still like this one and I see myself getting a lot of use out of this. I definitely recommend it if you like the color story or you're looking for an everyday eyeshadow palette. I really hope this video was helpful. Let me know what you guys think about this palette. Have you picked it up or are you planning on getting it? Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.